Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're joining us for the first time, I'm Coco. You're a little late, but that's okay. We're gonna forgive you. Just make sure that you hit that subscribe button so you're never late to another reunion. If you know, you know. If you don't, you're about to find out, because this is another episode of Courting Coco. We're putting everything on the table. Being single and being on the internet, especially having public profiles, means you are definitely subject to somebody sliding in your DMs. So today we're going to do just that. We're going to talk about sliding in the DMs, if it's appropriate, how you should go about doing so, and we're going to talk about what goes down in my DMs. So as usual, grab your tea and let's get started. So if you've been living somewhere under a rock or watching too much ratchet TV, or you just haven't been paying attention to anything, sliding in to someone's DMs basically means sending them a private message on Twitter, on Instagram, on Facebook, anywhere pretty much. Confidently and smoothly. Now, you can send a DM about anything really, and platforms like Instagram have even made it easier to do so, because you can send people their own pictures or other pictures and start a conversation that way. So, is it appropriate to slide in someone's DMs? Personally, I think yes. I think sliding in the DMs is absolutely appropriate if and only if done right. It is absolutely an art. You can't just go about rolling up in people's DMs. Y'all can't be moonwalking into people's DMs. You gotta smooth slide into people's DMs, okay? There are a few steps to follow to ensure that you're sliding into the DMs correctly. The goal is for the person to respond, obviously, and you want them to respond in a positive way. So you want to make sure you follow a few steps that will make sure that DM gets read, baby, and accepted. Because they might just leave you as unaccepted and you'll never know if they read it or not. It's a cruel world. The first thing you want to do is make your presence known. But you don't want to come in there like a bomb. You know those people who just drop themselves in your DMs? Just casually minding your business, and boom, here they come. Who invited you? How did you even get here? How? Nobody invited. Sir, take yourself back. Thank you. Back of the line. Thanks. So you want to make your presence known in the right way. Number one, you probably want to follow the person. I mean, maybe just a little bit. Commit to it, okay? Commit to the sending of the DMs. Follow the person. Number two, it's not enough just to show up. You gotta show out too. Like a few pictures. Don't go too far back. That's just weird. And don't like too many. Again, creepy. You want to stick between the 4 and 5 picture range. It's enough where it's not like, oh, I like this one. Oh, there's another one I like. It's like, I like this one, your face, your personality, and I want you. See what I mean? It's enough. Once you've made your presence known, you want to make sure that you establish some kind of base. You want to wait for the right time to connect with the person. Pay attention to their Insta stories and the captions of their most recent photos. These are opportunities for you to slide right on in and comment. The next step is the actual M in DM, the message that you're sending. You don't want to do too much. We don't need paragraphs in our DMs. We don't want that. Nobody wants a paragraph. But you also don't want to send too little where the person doesn't know how to respond. For example, heart eyes emojis. Very cute, but it'll probably only get you a thank you or maybe another emoji back. A great emoji that you can send is the eyes, the 2 eyes emoji. Okay, that just got weird. Sorry. An emoji like the eyes emoji gives the person an opportunity to ask a question or to give a response to whatever they think you're sending eyes because of. other DMs that are welcome are compliments, opinions, positive ones, don't start no fights in my DMs, and respectful advancements. Let's talk about what's not welcome in our DMs, okay? Nudes. We don't want them. We didn't ask for them. Don't send them. I will block you, okay? That's how you get blocked. Creepy comments, overly sexual comments, overly religious comments, mixtapes, tea samples, not welcome in my DMs. Don't talk about yourself too much. Don't give me a complete bio or an essay, and do keep the conversation flowing. Ask questions, but don't get too deep. This is not a first date or an interview. You want to make sure that you're being thoughtful, but playful at the same time, since it is still social media. And don't be afraid to take the conversation outside of the DMs if you get the vibe that it's going both ways. You don't want to push it on the person that you have been messaging, but also you don't want to drag it out and eventually get friend zoned. Sorry, bro. And you can definitely make it fun. You can send gifts, send memes, use filters, all kinds of cool things, send pictures where appropriate, remember the rules, and just make it fun. If you're interesting enough, you'll have a better chance of your DM getting answered. Just, again, be respectful. Last but definitely not least, you want to be realistic, but don't get discouraged. So you want to be realistic about who you are DMing. You're probably not going to get an answer from Beyonce or Oprah, but you might get an answer from your friend's friend that you've been crushing on since 3 parties ago. What are you waiting for, sis? Slide into that DMs. And of course, don't get discouraged. I've slid in a DM once or just once. Hey boo, if you're watching, hey. It didn't go exactly as I thought it was gonna go. It didn't go anywhere, but that's okay. Just saying, learn from my mistakes. Okay, learn from my mistakes, y'all. But don't get discouraged. Practice definitely makes perfect, and the right person is out there just waiting for you to slide right through. So, who would I be if I didn't shout in on what goes down in my DMs? Goes down in the DMs. Go down in the DMs. Nothing really. Just in case you were wondering, nothing really goes down in my DMs. Okay. So you know, sharing is caring. So I'm gonna share with y'all a little bit of what happens. But first, some tea before the tea. Whoa. Okay. This next message starts out with, blessings and love to you. Blessings, okay, thank you. Thank you very much. Some fire hip hop tracks on deck. If you or anyone you see, this is what I'm talking about. No, I'm not about to share your mixtape, bro. Hello, love. I'm in blank blank. I would love to meet your sexy chocolate self. No. This one says, hi, came across you on one of the apps and thought you were really cute. Thank you, boo. Any interest in grabbing a drink this week? I don't even know you though. Let's be friends. This is what I mean. Don't you take it too far too soon. You're moving too fast. Moving too fast. Your profile's private. I can't even see a picture. And your profile picture has 3 people in it. Which one are you? This next DM is one of my favorites. It says, hello. Are you single? Why are you single? You're quite pleasant on the eyes. In parentheses, beautiful. Are you currently dating? Which question should I answer first? Where should I start? You want to start bottom up or top down? Let me know. Send me a DM. Probably won't answer. This one says, hey! Exclamation point. Subscribe for subscribe on YouTube. That reminds me, if you haven't yet, you just hit the red button. Just find it. Subscribe. Thank you. This is one of my favorites. It's, there is no way you are real. Never seen a beauty like you. Hard eyes, hard eyes, hard. You know what? I'm gonna answer this one. Hold on. He deserves an answer. But that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments if you've ever slid in somebody's DMs before. Dime, okay? Tell me. I wanna know. If you're here for the sliding in of the DMs when done appropriately, there's an art to it. Give this video a thumbs up. Don't give me a thumbs down if you're not into it though. Just keep scrolling, boo, okay? Just keep scrolling. Also, let me know, what's the craziest line you've ever gotten in your DMs? The craziest. I would tell you guys, but I'm washed in the blood and my mama's watching. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Every Wednesday is hump day, so I'm bringing you guys a new episode of Courting Coco. So make sure you subscribe so you never miss an upload and never miss an episode. Remember, love hurts, but loneliness will kill you. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.